BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe Doog, and welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and I'm here today with Natasha and Nana BOOZHOO. And our first song today is a song about boarding schools. Got a request to do this song again. This is a song I wrote for my grandfather, who ran away from the Flandreau Indian boarding school. My grandpa, Aubrey Lyons, was born in 1913, and he went to the Flandreau Indian boarding school and ran away. And I'll spare you the whole story because, well, whatever. Anyway, the song is called Home. And I was born in 1913 in the storm of 1913. But then at boarding school I was nobody's fool. Down at Flandreau I grew madder every day. That's why I had to run away. 'Cause this is no way to live. And I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. But on a fateful day, me and my brother Ray, we planned our getaway. If we can make it to them tracks, we won't be coming back. We're gonna hop a train. I thought we got away, but then the cops came and took us back to a leather strap. But I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. And I remember it still. I saw a whippoorwill out on my windowsill. How could I sit still? So I got right up and I walked right out. The teacher said to me, "Where do you think you're going?" Boy, I said, "I'm going home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Ni wiki Thank you. OJIBWE. I'll go home. And yeah, so that's a song about my grandfather and boarding school.